All right, this is the 2017 Subaru Impreza. I'm going to show you how to operate the windows on this vehicle. As you can look, I am the driver's side part of the vehicle, right? I'm going to look down. As you can see right here are controls, all right? You have your window lock feature. Look at this. If I press this, that is the window lock feature. It is depressed right now, so it's in. All right, it's impressed. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Well, it's in, it's all the way down, and that means that the passengers cannot roll up or down their windows in the vehicle. I'm gonna go ahead and unlock it, and then I am gonna go to the main controls right here. These are the controls that operate each individual window. This is for the passenger rear, the right passenger rear window. This is for the passenger rear left window. And this is for the passenger front window, and this is for the driver window. I'm gonna go ahead and push it. You see I'm pushing it forward, and the windows are rolling down. You can hear it in the background. And then I pull it back, and they are rolling up. I'm gonna do it with these two as well too. Do you see it rolling up? And that's how you roll up and down the windows in the 2017 Subaru Impreza. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching.